Hey there, Dr. Crypto here with another TAP update, also known as ticker name XTP. So, before I start, hope everybody's having a great day or a great week, wherever you are in this world of ours. But if you want to sign up to the TAP Global, in the description below, there is a link to the TAP Global website and app, and also there is a referral code there too if you wish to use that to sign up. I think if I'm right, if somebody wants to put me right in the comments, I think you get like a pound's worth or a dollar's worth of Bitcoin. So yeah, so the link's down below if you wish to sign up. But also, if you want to support the channel, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe. As always, that is much appreciated as we're trying to grow this channel as we can. So, before we start on TAP Global, let's just have a quick look, see what's actually happening in the market itself. So as we see here, like the market cap at the moment, it's still at well over $1 trillion, so that's looking fairly healthy. 24-hour volume is around about 55 billion, nearly 56 billion. BTC dominance is around about 42.1. Ethereum dominance is around about 18.5. But if you can look on the 60-day chart here, we're up about, for Bitcoin, up around about 41.5. And then you could go all the way down to here to Solana, is up 111%. So look at all these, it's 68, 46%. You know, we're looking pretty good. We've got Shiba Inu at 58%. We've got like AVAX at 67%. You know, and you can keep going down, and it's all in double figures. And here you got Aptos, 278%. It's looking, and we've got Crowcoin here at 39.79%. I'll keep an eye out on Crowcoin because that's looking pretty sharp at the moment. So, but yeah, overall, the market is looking still fairly healthy, but we just got to bear in mind, we have got some data releases today. We've got the personal income month on month, personal spending month on month, and the core PCE index month on month. So in terms of that, expect a lot of volatility when the results come out, which will be around about 1:30 UK time. So yeah, expect the wicks up and the wicks down. So if you're trading, have your risk management in place because you're going to need it, because every time you get like information like this, it does create a lot of volatility, so just bear that in mind. So while we're on the chart here, we can look at Bitcoin. So we basically created this bullish pennant here, so subject to what happens today with the traditional markets as well. You know, if we extrapolate the pole here and then basically put it out a potential breakout point there, which gives us around about the $27,000 to $28,000 mark. At the moment, we're just in this channel. We basically pushed through, created a support here, and now we've created support again, and this is on the 8 hour. So we're basically in this channel at the moment. So we're just basically hovering around. It's not been really much great in volume because I presume everybody is waiting for today's results to come out at 1:30 UK time, and I think it's around about 8:30 New York time as well. So like I said, expect a lot of volatility. Stock RSI, we're sort of oversold at the moment. Like I said, the volatility's just dropped off a bit, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be picking up a bit later on as well. So yeah, stock RSI on the 8 hours oversold. So, but if everything comes perfect, everything goes well, you get the numbers we need for the personal income month on month and personal spending month on month, and the core PCE index month on month will determine what the which Jerome Powell says in the coming weeks and months. So yeah, obviously, if we get what the results we want, obviously we could be breaking to the upside, but also prepare. We could actually break down to the downside. Now, if we do, I'm expecting we could test around about the 21,700 where we got support at the moment. If we lose that, I think we could go down to around about 20,500 as support there, and the next support here will be around about 18,500, around about that. So these are my support levels at the moment. But we're looking healthy. We're in the support channel here. We're still over 23,000, so it's all looking pretty good at the moment. So let's have a quick look at what TAP's doing. So looking at XTP at the moment, so basically the market cap is around about 13 million, fully diluted market cap is 105 million. We're slightly down on volume, but we've had a bit of a push up in the recent day. Yesterday was specifically a nice little markup. But yeah, looking over here, it's looking fairly healthy. So we can have a look on the Bittrex here. So we can see here we're sort of at 46 satoshis, but look at this here, look at the volume here. This is all the buy orders here. We've got somebody put in around about, it's around about 9 bitcoins here, and then we got another one, 2 bitcoins, 1 bitcoins. But look, in terms of buyers, there's more buyers than actually sells. You can see this right on here. So it's not going to take much more for us to push up. I'm expecting that we will push up as well. It's also, the market's been a bit flat over this past day or so because of, obviously, as what I mentioned before, the Bitcoin segment. We've got the results coming out in the US. So, but looking at this at the moment, we do have more buyers and we do have more sellers. We do have more buyers and we don't have as much in the terms of sellers. Let's get that right. But yeah, looking at XTP, we've created this bullish pennant here. So if this plays out, take the pole here, extrapolate it up to a potential breakout point again, and that could take us up to around 16 pence. We're in this, basically, we're just in this channel of consolidation, because after an 8 to 9,000% move up, we're in this large consolidation area at the moment, as you can see here. So we're just in this zone of around about 1 pence to around about 19 pence. So we're just chopping around, come down, back up, chop down, back up. So we're sort of not oversold on the stock RSI at the moment. So overall, I'm expecting we're going to push up at some point. But obviously this is subject to what Bitcoin and traditional markets do as well. But overall, the charts are looking fairly healthy. But basically, we've had some news as well come through, as I sort of mentioned yesterday on one of these shorts. So it says here, hey USA, something big is on the way. Join our USA waiting list now to invite a friend to get super surprise reward. Be the first to join TAP when we launch in the USA. So that's really, really is good news. And basically, it's coming a brand new, fresh, than rebranding. So, patience, at the end of the day, it's like I said in the previous video, and I said yesterday, it's one of these ones. You're going to get people bearish because it's not doing what they want to do. It's not doing the 100x, which are expected. We have a bit of a drop, so they're scared and they end up taking the money out. For me, as I said before in previous videos, this is a long-term hold, a good couple of years for me. For me. It's a good couple of years hold for me, this one is, because, it's going to take time for things to filter in, like in the US. But also, this point of the US is only the starting point. I'm pretty sure that we'll be getting, in the coming months, and we'll be getting announcements for other countries as well. It's not going to just stop at America. And we've got this earn coming out, which is subject to regulation. The regulators are proving it. Once that comes out, it could be earning as well. But you've got the Visa debit cards as well, which obviously brings down the fees. So the higher your stake, the less fees you pay in terms of trading and selling. So. But TAP Global's really is looking healthy. There is naysayers out there. There is always naysayers. When I invested in Cardano in the earlier days, there's a lot of people say it's a scam. It's not going anywhere. Cardano's still here. Ticker name ADA. But I've invested in various projects, and there always going to be people out there who says it's a scam or whatever. Why? I do not know. Maybe they feel like they missed a boat, or maybe they've lost money. It could be a number of things. But for me, this is a good couple of years or so hold. Obviously, be realistic. You're going to take profits along the way. Of course you do. But when there's dips, I'll buy more. If we dip again, I'll buy some more, because I see the long-term potential of this. This is at the early stages. So early stages of projects via the crypto world or the stock markets, you're going to get high volatility in it. So, but basically, you get the paper hands sell, I buy. And that's the way it is. And that's why I've done all right in the stock markets, and that's why I've done all right in crypto, because I've not been, we get these dips. I don't just panic sell. Oh, we've dropped down 5%. Oh, we've dropped down 10 or 20%. You've got to expect, you get these 50% gains, you've got to expect you're going to get your 20, 30% drop downs. It's just the way it is. Ride the waves, that's all I do. But TAP Global, lots of things going on. It's all looking really, really positive for them. And I'm really looking for this USA. It's going to be a great, great month in March for TAP Global. I think it's going to be a really, really good year for TAP Global in general, for the company. And I really do think, subject to what the traditional markets and crypto do, I think that we could have a price appreciation coming up, quite a significant one, but obviously time will tell on that. So like I said, if you want to sign up to TAP Global, down in the description, click the link. It's free to download the app and see what you think. But they also got a referral code down there as well. But like I said, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe. Your support is always much appreciated. So until the next time, take care, and I'll see you soon.